Shri Bhagwati presents Filling Line. Automatic servo liquid filling, screw capping, and labeling machines for PET bottles are advanced equipment used in industries for efficient and precise bottle packaging processes. These machines are designed to streamline the production line, reduce manual labor, and improve productivity. Here's a general overview of each component. First, liquid filling. Automatic servo liquid filling machines use servo-driven technology to accurately fill liquid products into PET bottles. These machines can handle a wide range of liquids, such as water, juices, oils, sauces, and more. The servo system ensures precise control of the filling volume, minimizing product wastage and ensuring consistent fill levels. These machines often include features like adjustable fill speed, bottleneck centering, and anti-drip mechanisms for clean and efficient filling. Second, screw capping. After the bottles are filled, automatic screw capping machines securely seal the bottles with caps. These machines use servo-driven or pneumatic systems to apply the caps onto the bottles and ensure proper tightening. They can handle various cap types, including screw caps, snap-on caps, or push-pull caps. Some advanced models include cap sorting and feeding mechanisms, torque adjustment controls, and cap presence detection to ensure accurate and reliable capping. Third, labeling. Once the bottles are filled and capped, automatic labeling machines apply labels onto the bottles. These machines can handle various label types, such as wraparound labels, front and back labels, or tamper-evident labels. They use servo-driven or stepper motor systems for precise label application, ensuring proper alignment and avoiding wrinkles or bubbles. Some labeling machines also include features like label detection sensors, label length adjustment, and high-speed application capabilities. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.